Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a cowl that's going to look like it has been knitted. You can see these stitches all look like they have been knitted. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. To make this knit look cowl, I'm working with one strand of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. You're going to start with a slip knot, and you're going to work a foundation chain that is long enough to pass over the head, and that would be an average of 22 to 24 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and work my foundation chain. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked my foundation chain, and it will easily stretch to 11 inches, so that is 22 inches. And it's also going to stretch to 12 inches, which will be 24 inches. So as long as your foundation chain is long enough that it's the same size as the head of the person you're being made for. And now I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. And I usually just pass it through my fingers like that. And I can feel the bumpy side on this finger and the smooth side under my thumb. So I'll just keep pulling that through, and that way I know I haven't twisted my chain. And then I'm going to slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Single crochet in every stitch all the way around. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. And the reason I'm using a large hook with just one strand of worsted weight yarn is that this is a very dense stitch, and if you use a small hook, the work could become stiff and uncomfortable. So a 9mm hook with one strand of worsted weight yarn. If you're going to use a chunky yarn, then you could move up to a 10 or even a 12mm crochet hook. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet all the way around, and then I'll come back and show you the next row. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, there's the chain 1. Don't slip stitch in that stitch. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1. In that same stitch, in the V section of that stitch, you can see the V right there. Insert the hook into the V and single crochet. Find the next V right there. Insert the hook into the V and single crochet. Find the next V, there it is. Insert the hook into the V and single crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way around. There's the next V. And as you progress with each row, it will become easier and easier to see the V's. As you can see, they're lining up here. So you're going to work all the way around, working into the next V and single crochet. So go ahead and work all the way around, working one single crochet in each of the V of each stitch, all the way around. Okay, I've worked all the way around. There's my last single crochet. Now I'm going to go to the first V-stitch, not the chain one, the first V, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in that stitch, and be careful that your work is not twisted. And then I'm going to chain one, and I'm going to start working in that very same stitch, and I'm going to make my first single crochet in that V, and then I'm going to find the next V, and I'm going to work my next single crochet, find the next V, and work a single crochet. And this row will be repeated over and over until your work is the height that you would like it to be. There's the next V, insert into the V, and complete the single crochet. So I think you can see that the V's are all lined up, and so your stitches will look like it has been knitted instead of crochet. And I worked in this solid color so that you can see my stitches. Here's another one that's in progress in a fleck color, and so you can't see the stitches as well here, which is why I showed it to you in the solid color gray. And here's the one in the photos, and as you can see, all the stitches line up, all the V's, and it looks like knitting, even though it's crochet. And on a cold day, you could actually pull it up on your head to keep your head and your ears warm. And if you make another identical piece, like the cowl, and you gather it at the top, then you can have a hat and have a matching cowl and hat set, like this. So there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet a cowl that looks like it has been knitted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.